Let's talk about post-construction window cleaning. An important step is having the proper vacuum for that fine dust and a steam cleaner. Make sure you do a very thorough vacuuming of every spot on there, because if you get that stuff wet, you're going to create more work for yourself. So dust it all out. Then use the steam cleaner to blast off adhesive and stuff that is stuck in the little grooves. Now, after you have finished thoroughly vacuuming that fine dust out of every spot on that window and taking a little brush like this to help work out any imperfections, use 2 cleaning cloths. One to do one more dusting of the whole thing, and then use one to apply the chemical that you're using for the window cleaning. Dawn soap with a little water usually works perfectly fine. Then use this to apply everything, and then use one more cloth, I guess, to really buff out and shine the whole thing, making it look nice and perfect and spotless. And of course, a little bonus tip, using a little scraper like this here, this will really come in handy when you're dealing with really tough adhesive. So the combination between the steam and this will make light work of those tough stains and help you get that stuff cleaned faster.